Good afternoon, class second year, English medium. I am Vibhu Shukla, mathematics lecturer, SRS Inter College. Today I continue the chapter differentiability, some important question of differentiability. Question number 1. For what choice of A and B is the function fx equal to x square, x is less than or equal to c, and fx equal to ax plus b, x is greater than c is differentiable at x equal to c. Here given that the function is differentiable at x equal to c, therefore it must be continuous at x equal to c. Find out the value of a and b. Given that fx is differentiable, at x equal to c, so therefore it must be continuous at x equal to c. F is continuous at x equal to c, therefore LHL at x equal to c equal to RHL at x equal to c equal to FC. That implies limit h approaches to 0 f c minus h equal to limit h approaches to 0 f c plus h equal to fc. Value of the function at x equal to c, x square. In place of x, put c, fc equal to c square, equal to limit h approaches to 0 f c minus h. The value is less than c, x is less than c, function is x square. In place of x, put c minus h whole square, equal to limit h approaches to 0 c plus h greater than c, fx equal to ax plus b. So in place of x, put c plus h plus b equal to c square. Imply that put h equal to c, put h equal to 0, then c square. Put h equal to 0, ac plus b equal to c square. So therefore c square equal to ac plus b. Equation number 1. Write down. Equation number 1. Given that f is differentiable at x equal to c, therefore left hand derivative limit h approaches to 0 f c minus h minus fc upon minus h equal to RHD limit h approaches to 0 f c plus h minus fc upon h. That implies limit h approaches to 0 f c minus h less than c, x square. In place of x, put c minus h whole square minus fc equal to c square upon minus h equal to limit h approaches to 0 f c plus h greater than c, fx equal to ax plus b. In place of x, put c plus h plus b minus fc equal to c square upon h equal to limit h approaches to 0 a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ch minus c square upon minus h equal to limit h approaches to 0 ac plus ah plus b minus c square upon h. c square cancel, equal to limit h approaches to 0, take h common, h minus 2c upon minus h equal to limit h approaches to 0. Using this, ac plus b equal to c square. ac plus b, in place of ac plus b equal to c square, plus c square and minus c square cancel. All these are cancel. ah h cancel, limit h approaches to 0, a. Here h cancel, therefore limit h approaches to 0, a equal to a. A equal to, put h equal to 0, minus minus plus 2c. The value of a is 2c. Value of a is 2c. Putting the value of a in 1. Putting the value of a in equation number 1. Therefore c square equal to, in place of a put 2c, so 2c square plus b. Therefore b equal to c square minus 2c square. b equal to minus c square. Answer. So b equal to minus c square and a equal to 2c. Answer. Write down. Very important question. Question number 2. Discuss the differentiability of the function at x equal to 0. Check the differentiability of the function at x equal to 0. So first rearrange this function fx equal to mod x. We know that mod x equal to x. X is greater than or equal to 0. Mod in place of x. In place of mod x, put x. 1 upon x plus 1 upon x, 2 upon x. X into e to the power minus 2 upon x. If x is greater than 0, because x equal to 0, given that fx equal to 0, mod x equal to minus x. In place of mod x, put minus x. 1 upon minus x plus 1 upon x cancel, e to the power 0. E to the power 0 equal to 1. Therefore only x. If x is less than 0 and fx equal to 0, if x equal to 0. So the function fx is rearranged by this form. Now check the function is differentiable at x equal to 0 or not. So find left hand derivative and right hand derivative. So first find left hand derivative. LHD at x equal to 0 equal to limit h approaches to 0, f c equal to 0. 0 minus h minus f0 upon minus h equal to limit h approaches to 0. 0 minus h, the value less than 0, fx equal to x. In place of x, put minus h minus f0, x equal to 0, fx equal to 0, so f0 equal to 0 upon minus h equal to limit h approaches to 0 minus h upon minus h 1. Limit of 1 is 1. Therefore left hand derivative at x equal to 0 is 1. Now find RHD at x equal to 0. Limit h approaches to 0, f 0 plus h minus f0 upon h equal to limit h approaches to 0. 0 plus h means greater than 0, fx equal to this function. In place of x, put h, 0 plus h, h into e to the power minus 2 upon h, f0 equal to 0 upon h. H is cancelled. Limit h approaches to 0, e to the power minus 2 upon h equal to limit h approaches to 0, 1 upon e to the power 2 upon h. We know that limit h approaches to 0, e to the power 2 upon h equal to not defined, because put h equal to 0, e to the power infinite, the value of e is between 2 and 3, so then e to the power infinite equal to also infinite means not defined. Therefore limit of 1 is 1 and limit of this is infinite, 1 upon infinite equal to 0. Therefore right hand derivative equal to 0 and left hand derivative equal to 1. Therefore left hand derivative at x equal to 1, x equal to 0 does not equal to r is d at x equal to 0. Therefore f is not differentiable. F is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Proved.